Welcome to VesselWorks. Let's go over everything you need to know to ensure your safety and the safety of others while you're on site. First things first, you're required to complete the VesselWorks induction. This includes watching this video and answering the quiz on our website. By completing the quiz, you agree that you've read and understood the Marine Hub rules, which you can also find online. The induction must be completed annually. If you're a company or contractor planning to work here, make sure your insurance is accepted by VesselWorks before you begin your activities. Once that's sorted, visit the office to arrange your access tag. And remember, if you happen to lose your tag, let us know right away so we can provide a replacement. Our office is open from 8 AM to 4 PM Monday to Friday. With a valid access tag, you'll have 24/7 access to the site. Just make sure you bring your own task-appropriate lighting. The site toilets are located south of the hard stand, and you'll need your access tag to gain entry. Visitors are allowed on site, but they must be accompanied by someone who has completed the induction. As a visitor, please sign in using the visitor book. Keep in mind that visitors are not permitted to engage in any work or operate machinery while on site. Only boat owners, crew members, and approved contractors are allowed to carry out works here. When you visit VesselWorks or use Bridge Wharf, you can park your car in the Hikawai Place car park. Remember, your car should only be on the hard stand when you're loading or unloading materials, or if you need to work from the vehicle. Otherwise, please park your vehicle in the outer yard, which you can access via Ngā Whetū Lane. Safety is paramount here, so all equipment and vehicles brought on site must be certified, checked, and operated by trained and competent individuals. If you need them, forklifts and yard hands are available for hire by the hour. Additionally, make sure to use a scaffold that has a valid sign-off tag. Remember to treat others how you would like to be treated. Any obnoxious behaviour, abuse, or unlawful activities will not be tolerated on site, and you must comply with our drug and alcohol policy. Lastly, the hard stand area is a smoke-free zone, so please refrain from smoking there. When you're on the hard stand, make sure to wear a high visibility top and covered shoes. Depending on the task at hand, you may also need additional personal protective equipment or PPE. You'll find site safety booths located next to each vessel on the hard stand. Inside each booth, you'll see a hazardous workboard that helps identify and record potential hazards specific to the site. Safety is a shared responsibility, so if you notice something dangerous, please speak up and inform the individuals involved so they can address it. And remember, if you're unsure about anything, don't hesitate to report it. We're here to help you maintain a safe environment. Certain activities carry higher risks, so we have minimum standards in place for them. Before you engage in any of the following activities, you must obtain VesselWorks' permission. Diving, refueling, crane operations over 20 meters in height, working with asbestos, or any other high-risk activity without a minimum standard. When the travel lift is in operation, please keep your distance and avoid engaging in any conversation with the operator unless it's an emergency. Also, do not move stands or blocks that are currently being used under a vessel. Ask a lift operator to do this for you. Maintaining a clean work area is essential, so please make sure to clean up areas under vessels daily. Use the available rubbish bins and let us know if you need a new one. We also have a recycling station for standard waste and waste oil at the beginning of Bridge Wharf. To contain dust, overspray, chips, or filings, please use tents, windshields, or tarps. Do not tie screens onto the vessel or boat stands. In the event of a spill, promptly clean it up using the on-site spill kits. If the spill could potentially enter the hard stand drains, press the e-stop button near the southern pedestrian gate and inform the VesselWorks team. In case of an emergency, raise the alarm, call 111 and notify site staff immediately. If there's a fire on board a vessel, raise the alarm and evacuate the vessel. The captain of the vessel has the sole responsibility to decide whether to fight the fire. When in doubt, get out. Throughout the facility, you'll find emergency equipment such as fire extinguishers and life rings. The defibrillator is located on the wall outside the office, and there's a trauma first aid kit upstairs in the office. Please refer to the site map for their exact locations. In case of an emergency, the assembly points are at Hikawai Place and Ngā Whetū Lane car parks. Stay there until you receive the all clear from VesselWorks staff or emergency services. Every vessel on the hardstand must have its ship's general arrangement plan in the safety booth document box. This ensures that crucial information is readily available in case of an emergency. If you have any questions while you're on site, don't hesitate to ask. We are here to help.